Hello, welcome back to Rotor and Pixel. In today's video, we're testing your knowledge of Part 107 Crew Resource Management. You'll have 35 questions and 8 seconds for each one to choose the correct answer. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Rotor and Pixel so you never miss any challenges. Ready? Let's get started. What's the core goal of Crew Resource Management CRM? Answer C. Use all available resources to manage risk and make safer decisions. Which mnemonic helps you self-check fitness to fly before each mission? Answer A. IMSAFE. In IMSAFE, the E stands for Answer B or emotion. Which pre-flight risk tool helps you consider pilot, aircraft, environment, external pressures? Answer B, PAVE. The 3PADM model stands for Answer A, perceive, process, perform. The decide model is Answer B, detect, estimate, choose, identify, do, evaluate. Who is ultimately responsible for the safety of the operation? Answer C, remote pilot in command, PIC. What's the best use of a VO in CRM? Answer B, scan for traffic/obstacles and communicate hazards clearly. Sterile cockpit means Answer B, no non-essential tasks or distractions during critical phases. External pressures, and get their idas, in PABE are best handled by Answer B, setting hard no-go criteria and communicating limits before launch. Which action best reduces mid-mission miscommunication? Answer B, briefing roles, comms, lost link, and emergency plans before takeoff. During pre-flight, the team should agree on Answer B, airspace/altitude limits, geofence/RTH settings, and abort triggers. If a crewed aircraft approaches your area, you should Answer B, yield right of way, descend/land, and clear the area. If winds increase beyond your brief limits mid-flight, the CRM move is to Answer B, execute the abort/RTB plan and reassess. A lost link event is best mitigated by Answer B, pre-programmed RTH/hover/land behavior and a clear lost link brief. Your UAS initiates RTH toward a new obstacle you just noticed. You should. Answer B. Cancel/modify RTH. Take manual control and steer to a safe path. If GPS becomes unreliable, mode switching, toilet bowling, the immediate action is to Answer B. Slow down, stabilize, consider AT/manual if trained, and land. Battery voltage sags earlier than expected in cold weather. Best CRM response? Answer B. Land early, warm batteries, shorten legs, and rebrief limits. A flyaway begins, uncommanded drift. First realistic step. Answer B. Climb to a safe height, if clear, then attempt controlled recovery land. If you must make an emergency landing, priority is Answer C. People and non-participants choose the least risk landing area. Post-incident memory and bias or problems. The CRM fix? Answer B. Immediate factual notes, photos, log data, and debrief while fresh. For a lithium battery fire on the ground, the safest first move is to Answer B. Isolate to a clear area. Use sand/dry chemical if available. Let it cool. If the VO loses visual contact, the correct call is Answer B. Lost visual. Pick stabilizes, holds, or returns until reacquired. Client pressure to just get the shot in a hot wildfire. TFR. Answer B. Decline. Comply with TFR and public safety priorities. If you deviate from a rule to address an emergency, Part 107 expects that you Answer B. May be asked by FAA to submit a written report of the deviation. Under Part 107, you must report an accident to the FAA within 10 days if Answer B. There's any serious injury or loss of consciousness or property damage greater than or equal to $500, excluding the SWAS. During a pre-mission brief, which callouts should be standardized? Answer B. Traffic altitude, battery state, geofence/RTH status, abort triggers. Task saturation hits the PIC. Best CRM mitigation? Answer B. Offload to VO. Traffic scan, telemetry readouts, timing, spotter duties. To reduce confusion in emergencies, radio calls should be Answer B. Short, specific, closed loop. Pick land now, VO, landing now. If compass/IMU errors pop up on the pad, Answer B. Stop. Relocate away from interference, recheck, or stand down. Which item belongs in the emergency kit? Answer B, first aid supplies, fire mitigation, sand dry chem, cones, tape for cordon. When operations will be near people, smart CRM planning includes Answer B, category/waiver compliance, cordons, spotters, predictable flight paths. After a near miss with a helicopter, you yielded. Best follow-up is to Answer B, preserve logs, debrief with team, update procedures training. In crew briefings, what ifs should cover Answer B, lost link, GPS loss, high winds, people encroaching, air traffic. Which behavior is careless or reckless under Section 107.23? Answer B, flying over uninvolved people without meeting operations over people rules. Great job, pilots. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're ready for the next FAA test prep quiz here on Rotor and Pixel. Until next time, fly smart, stay safe, and keep learning.